Hello everyone, I will be showing you how to complete the assignment 3 visualizations with the Matplotlib and Seaborn on the Titanic dataset. Okay, so the context is you are a data visualization analyst working with the Titanic dataset, which contains the information about the passengers on the Titanic, including whether they survive or not, their class, age, fire, etc. Your task is to use the Matplotlib and Seaborn to visualize and explore various aspects of the dataset to gain insight into passenger demographic and characteristic. Okay, if you remember in the assignment 1B, I already show you the reference to the Titanic's dataset, the column explanation. Okay, Titanic dataset. Column explanation. Okay, yeah, so here you go. Yeah, this one, yeah. This is the column, survival, class, name, and so etc. Okay, so let's explore. There are total 7 tasks. Yeah, load the dataset by downloading the Titanic dataset from this link, and then visualize the passenger survival, analyzing passenger age distribution, explore the class-wise distribution, investigate the fare distribution, correlation between variables, and after that visualizing passenger class and age. After that save the Python notebook and then upload. Yeah. Okay, and to make it faster, so I already have prepared a notebook which contains the template of this assignment 3. So the name is this sample assignment 3 Titanic I, PYD. And you need the Titanic dataset as well. So I open the Google Colab. Okay, here you go. Okay, everyone, I have already opened the Google Colab. Now I'm going to upload the notebook. So upload the notebook and choose this one, sample assignment 3. Okay, yeah, so clear the output in the edit. Yeah, clear all the output. Okay, after that you need to prepare the dataset. Yeah, you have to bring the dataset into here. Upload, and then after that the Titanic. Okay, here you go. Oh, sorry. Upload the, yes, Titanic. Open. Click OK. Yeah, so here, yeah, Titanic dataset is already here. So we are ready. First, yeah, so the task is here. Load the dataset, yeah. Download the Titanic dataset and assign data frame. Display the first few rows to get the overview of the data. Maybe I'm going to add the text, yeah, then after that include the Titanic dataset information, which just now we found somewhere in the wait, one moment. Okay, never mind, just search here Google. After that type the Titanic dataset column description. Okay. Yeah, here you go. So put here. Yeah. This is the Titanic column description. Okay. So the first is to download, yeah, display the first few row using the head or tail. Okay, so I already prepared here. Yeah. Import the numpy as a NP and then import the panda as PD, import Seaborn as a SNS. So all the required library we import. Yeah, you can do it in a single cell, or you can do it at line by line like this. Yeah, same. Yeah. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, or you do this. And then we also have the Titanic dataset already in the web, yeah, in the Lytton dataset. No need to upload. Yeah. If you want to use this, I can also give you the link. And then after that, you don't need to upload this Titanic. Yeah. But in case you want to use the local, you can use the local. Yeah. Okay. So maybe I just use. So you can cancel this. Yeah. You can delete. We just use this one. Online version. Yeah. Titanic CSV in the Lytton website. So run. Okay. Done. Yeah. Then after that, read CSV. Okay. So we have the problem. Okay. I think okay, better use the yeah, use the local dataset. Yeah. Okay. So let's upload again. Yeah. Just now I deleted already. Titanic. Yeah. Okay. So just use the local. Okay. So I replace all this path to empty like this. Titanic CSV. So run. Okay. Good. Yeah. So now it's okay because we have the Titanic CSV here. Display the first 5 row. Yeah. Okay. This is head 5. After that, visualizing the passenger survival. So survival is this. Yeah. We have the column survival. Okay. So maybe I put the breakpoint here, line break. Okay. So this is to make it more readable. Okay. Yep. So better now, visible. Yeah. So we have this survival. Yeah. 0 meaning no, 1 meaning yes. Survive. Yeah. Okay. So create a bar plot to visualize the count of the survivor and non-survivors. So as SNS count plot. Okay. So between the survive and then non-survive. Okay. Yeah. This is survive, not survive. So more people die 500 plus, and then 300 plus is alive or survive. In the task tree, analyze passenger age distribution. Okay, so we have the age column. First, you use the drop NA. Yeah, if the age is not available or is empty, missing data. Yeah. After that, create the histogram by age. Yeah. So 0, 10, 20, yeah. Okay. This is the how many people with that age. Explore the class-wise distribution. Okay, so use the count plot to display the number of passengers in each class using the Seaborn, yeah, count plot. Yeah. After that, set the label and title of the report and then show. Yeah, okay, like this. Okay, number of passengers in each class, class 1, class 2, class 3. Yeah, there's a passenger class. You can see the this one, yeah, cabin, yeah. Then this one, passenger class, yeah. First, second, and third. Okay, continue. Yeah, this one is the distribution per number of passengers. This is passenger class, class 1, class 2, class 3. Okay, and then investigate the fare distribution. Create a box plot using the Seaborn to visualize the distribution of the passenger fares. Okay, so run. Okay, this is the distribution. The passengers fare, I think pound sterling, yeah, around the this, yeah, 20 or 25, yeah. So some outliers, yeah. This is for the expensive one, yeah. Okay, correlation between variable. Generate a heat map using the Seaborn to visualize the correlation matrix of the numerical variable in the dataset. Yeah. So the correlations visual, we call it as a heat map. How to read that? Let me explain. Okay, so we only select the numeric only. Yeah. So what is the meaning of the correlation? For example, like this. We have three factors. Yeah. Right. What? Okay. Yep. So let me explain about the correlation. Okay. For example, you have three things. Yeah. The first is your income, maybe the household income, the family income, and then the expense spending. Yeah. And then the saving. Okay. So if the income is higher, normally the saving is higher. Yeah. So this income and saving is correlated positive. If the income increase, the saving will increase. If the income decrease, people also save money to spend less income and saving. Yeah. So the correlation is very correlated, and the correlation is can be close to 1. Yeah, plus 1. Yeah. So strong positive correlation. But spending, income and spending. Sorry. Income, spending and saving. Yeah, sorry. Spending and saving. So whether the spending and saving related, yeah. When you spend high, so the saving is low, yeah, because you spend more money, less money to save. This is the strong correlation, but minus negative, yeah. So negative meaning if the first factor increase, the other one is a decrease. So that's minus 1. So the correlation is defined in the number between the -1 to 1. This is a strong negative correlation. This is a strong positive correlation. One increase, the other one increase. This one increase, the other one decrease, or one decrease, the other one increase. Yeah. So this is the possible value in the correlation. You can put into the heat map. Yeah, heat map is like a matrix, yeah, like this. Okay, so horizontal, vertical, and this is the comparing to itself, yeah, the diagonal. So the color is telling you whether the correlation is strong or not. Yeah? If the darker, then the correlation is strong, but lighter the color is less. Okay, yeah. So run to filter only numerical data and then correlation matrix. After that, generate the heat map. Okay, now like this, yeah. So this one is the diagonal is comparing with itself. So you can see the correlations are relatively weak, yeah, unless this one, the color, yeah, minus 0.37, minus 0.55, yeah, then positive is not much, yeah. Okay, 0.26, yeah. So how to interpret the correlations? Okay, interpreting correlation factor. Okay, yeah, so between the 0.9 to 1 or minus 0.9 to minus 1, very high correlation, positive or negative, yeah. Then a high positive or negative, 0.7 to 0.9. 0.5 to 0.7 is moderate, 0.3 to 0.5 is a low, and then 0 to 0.3 is a negligible. Yeah, okay. So you can see that mostly our correlation is negligible. Yeah, 0.3. Yeah. Okay, so this sum a little bit higher or lower. Yeah, negative is lower. The positive is higher. Okay, so this is what we call as a heat map. Yeah, how to read? Yeah. Okay, so passenger ID with the survive. Okay. Yeah, 0.0005. Yeah. Okay, so that's very low. Yeah, negligible. Yeah, but here 0.4. Yeah, siblings spouse. Yeah, and then parent children. Yeah, normally if the siblings spouse are higher, parent children also higher. Positive correlation. But the rest is relatively small or negligible. Yeah. After that, visualizing the last task is visualizing passenger class and age. Okay, so we create a scatter plot by using the column age and then class color green. Yeah, okay. So run. After that, this one. Yeah. So passenger class 1, class 2, class 3, and this is the DH. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So how to read this? Yeah. Some passenger in the class 1 is below 10 years, but not many. But here, mostly those young ages in the class 3. Yeah. Okay. So this is the explanation. The first class, second, third. Yeah. The third is the cheapest, which is normally in the cabin. Okay, class 1 is first class is the most expensive. Okay, so once this finished, then you can file after that save. Okay, then after that you can file download. Yeah. IPYNB. This is the file that you should upload in the LMS. But if you want to see the code in the text file, you can download the PY file. Okay, so we have the warning. Yeah, just skip. Yeah. Now you go to the LMS. After that, submit. Go to LMS. After that, go to the assignment 3. Okay, then upload your assignment. Okay, yeah, so 403, yeah, here you go. This is the file. Okay, submit, yeah, okay. So that's how to complete the assignment 3.